Scientists unravel the mystery of volcanic eruptions. They've discovered how volcanoes form and erupt. Russian and Italian scientists have come closer to understanding volcanic eruptions, studying Monte Nuovo near Naples as a basis. The remnants of lava, the rock that forms and then solidifies on the Earth's surface, contain information that can only reveal the causes of eruptions but also unravel mysteries of our planet's past and future. The study of Italian volcanoes advanced thanks to the new physics methods of Professor Sultan Dabagov's laboratory at NRNU MEPHL and INFN, National Institute of Nuclear Physics in Italy. The latest advances in physics were used in the research, and it's allowed scientists to obtain the information recorded, quote-unquote, in the remnant of an eruption. Quote, "Our work is a detailed study of the active phase in the planet's life which manifests itself in the form of volcanic eruptions. Eruptions are a complex phenomenon. Trying to notice the correlations between their many variables is a step towards their understanding and prediction. We use powerful sources of X-ray radiation capable of penetrating deep into the study's samples without destroying them." End quote. This is what Sultan Dabagov said, the research director, professor at the Institute of Nanotechnology in Electronics, Spintronics, and Photonics at NRNU. Now, according to the scientists in the first stage, volcanic samples were studied using multi-capillary optics based on X-rays. And then to confirm the results, the samples were examined using more powerful synchrotron radiation. This made it possible to obtain X-rays and tomographs of the samples, recreate the internal features of various rocks, and obtain high-resolution three-dimensional models. Researchers believe that analyzing these models in comparison to samples of other eruptions will help draw conclusions about both historically known eruptions and the eruptions of active and passive volcanoes. Sultan Dabagov said, "The data obtained using computed tomography and synchrotron radiation can be integrated into the general environment of feature finding methods used in geology. We can better understand the impact of micro and nano porosity of the studied rocks on their permeability in order to answer many important questions on the formation and the future development of our planet." The work of the Russian and Italian scientists is aimed at creating a tool that allows for detailed tomographic analysis in a lab using a low-power X-ray tube. This is possible with multi-capillary optics. The new tool will allow for the continuous study of volcanic samples since it was smaller and cheaper than synchrotron sources, and this will help equip almost any geological research center. According to the experts, the use of multi-capillary optics with small-sized sources and radiation detectors can form the basis for creating compact portable devices for analyzing various rocks on the ground without moving the samples. This is from Sputnik News. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.